chart on ticker symbol ALQA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and especially in this case makes answering a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where it closed, relative to where the price was, I think we can all agree with that. Yeah, nice move here on the bull's part, but that does lead to the logical and valid question. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 39 cents. Why is 39 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 39 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, then you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's just going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as staying up above 39 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds that the bulls are going to have to fight through? As things stand right now, I'm just going to talk about one level, and I'll explain that in a second. And that level is just right up there at 43 cents. You can see a couple of different instances this afternoon. The bulls try to press up through there, but the bears just knocked it down there. And the reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is because, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance not really a top priority. Top priority for the chart after a big price movement like today is just going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, then the long-term chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. But anyway you slice it, very nice movement today. So now the question just becomes, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.